Hey babes, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm thelaurynicole, and welcome back to another entry of the Lauren Nicole Diaries. Babes, today we are trying something very exciting. We are going to our first ever Pilates class. And truthfully, I want to give myself a challenge every week to try something new or just do something that's going to make me feel good. To start off our day, I made myself some breakfast. So we're having Greek yogurt. This is the light and fit one. It has a lot of protein in it, which is good. And then I put strawberries and oats in it. And then I made myself some eggs and bacon. So this is what we are having for breakfast. And then I'm going to get ready for Pilates. Okay, so this is my outfit for Pilates today. It's this cream jumpsuit that I got from Amazon, and I'm totally obsessed with the back of it. It's so cute. I also got this little jacket to go with it, just because I don't know if I'm gonna be cold when I first essentially get in the class. This isn't by the same brand, but I tried to find a color that was going to match pretty well to the actual jumpsuit. I should have low-key gotten this in a tighter size. This is the size small, but I should have actually did like an extra small. For makeup today, I'm just using this Skin Nova Radiant Primer. This is from the brand Vive. And we're just going to apply a little to the face. I don't want to put on too much makeup because essentially this will probably be a workout, so I don't want to sweat it off or anything like that. And then for lip care today, we're using the Naturium Phyto Glow Lip Balm. This is one of my favorites. I will say that sometimes trying to get this stuff out, it's really thick, so it doesn't come out as smooth, but I really love how smooth this leaves my lips. Okay, so for my hair today, we're just gonna do a little ponytail. What I like to do is grab one of these big rubber bands or elastics. You can get them from Walgreens, Target. I believe they're from the brand Scunsy. And then we're just going to wrap this around my hair once. This is how I do my little low manipulation ponytail. It's like a little mock ponytail that helps your hair look really voluminous and big. I like to push back this back portion so that it looks more like a ponytail. And there you go. You see how voluminous the ponytail looks? Looks really big. And then I have this tan headband to go on with it so that it'll match the rest of the outfit. And this is pretty much how it looks. Babes, we just got to the Pilates place, and this is how my final look is looking. The ponytail is super easy, like I just showed you guys how to do. And then I just put this little headband on it just so that it can match the rest of the outfit. We got the little gold necklace, my gold earrings, nails done. It's giving Pilates princess. And then last night I did my nails. I have been doing my own nails for a few months now, and honestly, doing your own nails is the way to save money and to be able to switch it up whenever you want to. And you can't tell me that these aren't cute. I love to do either a medium or a short set. Before we go in though, I'm gonna share with you guys what I brought today in my little bag. This is actually the bag that I got when I went with Ulta Beauty last summer on one of our brand trips. I got this when we did an event with TikTok, but I usually use it for my travel stuff. My luggages are gray and black, so then with the little black carry-on, it gives. Okay, so first I have my hydro jug. I love hydro jugs. I prefer them over Stanley's just because of the fact that Stanley's, they spill, whereas hydro jugs, they have this little part that you can close it. This is actually the one that I got when we did a Sol de Janeiro event with Ulta Beauty, so I really like this, and it matches today's outfit, so it's so cute. Talking about matching outfits, instead of this black bag that I just showed you guys, I was supposed to bring the tan bag that I have, but I couldn't find it. So that is why we chose to go with the black bag today. But anyways, because that doesn't really matter, this is my hydro jug. And then I have my Apple Watch so that we can just kind of track, the vibes for today at Pilates. The session that I booked today is more of an intro session, so it's not a full class. We'll basically get the chance to kind of try out all of the equipment, and she kind of takes us through what a actual Pilates class would look like if you wanted to sign up and do a membership. I chose to do this because, like I said, I've never done Pilates before, and it's a free class. If you look into a lot of Pilates places near you, they probably offer this, the little intro class, and it's usually free or at a very discounted price so that you could just go in and try out the equipment and see if it's actually something that you want to commit some time and money to, because Pilates can be a little bit more on the pricier side. And you can also test out the instructors and maybe see if you prefer a specific instructor, but basically just try out Pilates before you sign that membership. Going back to what else we have in this bag, I brought my I brought some footies. They said that you need like the grippy socks. You can either buy them at the place that I'm going to because they have some for purchase, or you can purchase your own. Obviously, so that we can match today's theme of the tan, I went and got my own. These came in a pack of 3, so I got tan, white, and black, and I wore the tan today. These are the grips that they have, and it's by the brand Zayek or Zak or something like that. We have my sunglasses because it is a little sunny out, and we might slip these on while we're out doing errands. I brought some more of my Vive Skin Nova Instant Radiance Primer, and then the last thing that I brought was my Naturium Phyto Glow Lip Balm. Y'all, again, I love this stuff, and I think I might need to go to Ulta Beauty to go grab another one. But yeah, that is pretty much all that we are bringing to our Pilates class, y'all. I don't know if we can film when we get in there, so what I'm going to do is just film as much as I can, and I'll come back and give you guys a little rundown on how we're feeling about it. And babes, we are back from our first ever Pilates class. So like I thought, we were not able to film in there, which is fine. I usually call ahead and ask if I can film because I hate to be that person that just shows up with a camera and then they'd be like, babes, you can't film in here. But this time today, I actually didn't do that. And the lady was super nice about it. She was like, hey, I just want to let you know, like, we can't film during the class, but afterwards you can film as much as you want. I said, I appreciate that. Because you know when like some people, they be rude about it, like they be real foul with it, you know. They be like, excuse me, ma'am in the back with the tan, there's no filming in the class. So yeah, she definitely was nice, very demure about it, very cute, very cutesy. Okay, and we appreciate that. They gave her some extra bonus points. To get to the actual yoga class, it was really nice. The instructor, she was a really good instructor, and I can see how Lori Harvey, her body's teeth. Pilates is like a different type of workout. It definitely works out the small muscles in your body that you don't even really think about a lot of the times, but it will definitely impact your overall look. So I definitely could see myself doing this more often. I really like Pilates. Like, that was actually a lot of fun. I definitely do think that in 2025, I will just be trying to step out of my comfort zone and do things that keep me in my feminine energy and allows me to try new things. Now that we're done with Pilates, I'm going to go to one of my favorite places when I just need something healthy and clean to eat. It's literally called Clean Eats. Malik and I actually came here a few weeks before he left for basic, and so this will be my 3rd time coming without him ever since he's been gone. The owner is so nice and the people are so nice, and I really just like the atmosphere because they have like a fridge on the side where you can pick up meal preps, and then they also have like a area in the back where you can do meal preps too. They do like calorie counting, and they make sure that your protein intake is what you need it to be at, and everything is made fresh. So I love coming here, and it always makes me feel so good every time I come. So we're about to go get us something to eat. Y'all, every time I go in there, they're so nice. I got the salmon poke bowl, but I switched. They had like some kind of like ponzu sauce. And I asked the guy, what is ponzu? He didn't even know either. That's why I was like, okay, babes, we're not about to play around with this. Just give me the teriyaki sauce because I can do like a teriyaki salmon bowl. What is ponzu? I don't know. So this is how the bowl is looking. Y'all, this smells so good. I cannot wait to tear this up. We got salmon, and then this is a mixture of the carrots as well as some like beans. This is the teriyaki sauce, and then we got some cucumbers over here, and then it's all sprinkled with sesame seeds. I also forgot to mention that this has brown rice at the bottom too. So okay, I like a lot. I think after this, what I'm gonna go do is I have to go to Walgreens or like a CVS to go get some pictures for my letter that I have to mail off today to Malik. Y'all, it's like technically this is week 2 for them because the first week that you go, it's called week 0, which means we have about 5.5 more weeks. This is my 3rd letter to him because I do a letter every Friday. I haven't gotten a call yet though, and I'm just like, my Shayla. It's getting to the point where I go reread our text messages or I go rewatch our videos. Y'all saw how fast I turned my head? I thought it was like him calling me. I go back and rewatch our videos or look at our pictures, sit there in the bed, I'd be like, but I only let myself be sad for like so long because it's like, babe, stand up. I do miss him a lot, but I also know that like he's doing what he gotta do and I gotta do what I gotta do, you know? Distance makes the heart grow fonder. As I sit here, I'm just gonna be picking out pictures for me to basically send to Walgreens so that by the time I get there, they can already be printed out. Hey y'all, so we are back at home. I got his pictures already in his envelope. We got some good pictures in here. Like this picture is from when we went to the aquarium, and then I got some pictures of like sushi so that he will remember his cat. I did include some of my recent Instagram pictures. So you know you got a baddie waiting for you at home. But I also wrote on the backs of them so that he can have more of my handwriting and just also dates for certain stuff. And not my phone going off. Hello. I got about like 12 of them printed off for like $3. It wasn't bad at all. But we do have some errands that we have to run. I have to go to Ulta to pick up some products for our partnership, as well as pick up some stuff for myself and some content I have to do. And then from there, Sushi, come here. Say hi. Say hi, vlog. Hi, vlog. Hi, vlog. And after that, we have to go to Target because I have to do some more of my grocery shopping for this week. More so just like picking up Sushi's food. And then I just need some like bars and stuff. I wrote a list on my phone. And then after that, I have to send off my letter. And that's pretty much it for today, y'all. We're having a very productive day, and I'm very proud of us. This is the outfit for today right now. It's a very chill outfit. The oversized hoodie with the oversized sweats and a ponytail and a headband. You guys, it's giving comfy casual to the next level, and I really love that for me because I need something that's very comfy and very casual, and that's something that's going to keep me warm because it's like 3 degrees outside today. 3 degrees. Unacceptable. Sushi, say hi to the camera. Hi. You're such a cute cat, you know that? And you're low-key not even all the way gray. You're like brown and gray. Hi. Say hi. Aw, that's so cute. Y'all, look at how cute these little cat toys are, and the fact that they're little sushis, and I have a cat named Sushi. I always want to grab little things that have sushi on it. And then I got him his cat food. Every time I come to the book section at Target, I need to stop myself. Y'all, I am the biggest Hunger Games fan, and they have the whole collection of books right here. 1 like and I will buy the whole collection. 1 like, y'all, in this video. And then lastly, look at these cute mini Target baskets that I found. This would be so cute for Valentine's Day. You can make like a whole little self-care basket and put all the stuff inside of this. This is so cute. Babes, we are back at home, and y'all, look what I got in the mail. Look what I got in the mail. I got a letter from my mail. So ever since I moved back home, I had to set up an account with USPS to do a lot of my forwarding stuff. So all the mail that gets put into my mailbox, I can see it. So earlier today, I got a notification, and I didn't check until I got back home. But the notification gave us like a breakdown for all the mail that's coming to the mailbox today. And I saw my boyfriend's handwriting, and I was like, oh my God. Because y'all, I haven't gotten a call, I haven't gotten a text message, a picture, a letter, nothing. Like they got this man tucked away at basic training. So I am so excited to open this. We're about to open it together. Okay, hold on. Okay, let me not actually cry.
A few moments later.
No, literally, this was so sweet. And no, I really miss him. Like, dang. I'm so happy that I got this. I'm probably gonna reread it every single day, non-stop. As far as the rest of the day, I'm pretty much just gonna be planning a lot of my content for this upcoming month. We have so many things that are coming up next month in February. I told myself in 2025, I really want this to be the year where I don't say no to things and trying to put myself in opportunities to take risks. I feel like you're only going to be this age once in your life, and I'm only going to be able to be in this predicament in my life where I have the time and the privilege to be able to take risks. So I'm just kind of like, If not now, then when? But that's pretty much it for this week. Thanks for watching me yap and cry and go to Pilates and do all the things that I did this week. I feel like February, that's when it's really gonna get pretty crazy. These first few weeks of my Laura Nicole diary entries have been chill because the month of February is gonna be very hectic. So I just want to thank all my supporters that are new to my channel. This is your first time watching the Laura Nicole diaries. Make sure to stay locked in. I will see you babes next week. Bye. What do you have to say to the camera right now? Reporting live. Reporting live. Please don't bite me because I feel like you're about to bite me. That's something that you would do. Oh, whoa. Whoa.